Write the rational expression in lowest terms. Negative 15 times x to the 6th times y to the 4th, all divided by 5x to the 4th times y. To write in lowest terms, we'll factor the numerator and the denominator. In the numerator, we can rewrite negative 15 as negative 3 times 5. We then have x to the 6th times y to the 4th. In the denominator, 5 is prime, so we still have 5 times x to the 4th times y. Now we divide out common factors. We have a common factor of 5 that we can divide out from the numerator and denominator. We have a common factor of x to the 4th in the numerator and denominator, leaving x squared in the numerator, and we have a common factor of y in the numerator and denominator, leaving a factor of y cubed in the numerator. Simplifying, we have negative 3 times x squared times y cubed.